Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I look a bit crazy right now, but we're going to fix that. So today I'm doing a hair tutorial about how to make a slick back ponytail like this. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned and let's get started with the video. So I'm going to start off by brushing my hair back, and I would make a part, a side part that is don't have the right brush for this. I'm supposed to use a comb for this, but I can't find my comb. I searched through my entire apartment, I couldn't find a comb, so I'm using this for now and I hope it works. So we are going to brush over and make sure everything is aligned. So this part is not really straight, so I'm going to try and use a smaller brush to see whether I'll be able to achieve the right part. I need it to be straight and sleek. Or I'll go ahead and tie my hair to the back just to get my hair out of the way so I can concentrate more on making the side part straight and even. It's kind of frustrating, but we're going to make it work. So I will take my wig and place it on my head and try to adjust it and make sure it sits perfectly and everything is in place. I'm going to be using the got to be glue to gel down my hair and make sure that my hair is gelled down well so that my wig will be able to sit on it. Well, I'm just going to apply a little. If you want, you can add more, but it gives me headache, so I'm going to use just a little bit of it. Oops, my earrings just fell off, and I'm just going to fix that back and pretend like nothing happened. So this is actually a look. You could just go out looking this way and it will be perfectly fine. So I'm just going to adjust my baby hair, make sure everything is laid down, and brush my hair. So next I'm going to spray my hair with water to give it this wet look before I go ahead and apply the gel on it. So I will be using the brush to get the sleek look. So you have to use a brush. I'm using a small brush. You can use a big brush. Then you apply the gel all over the hair. I'm just going to apply a little. I'm not going to do it too much. You don't have to do it too much. Just a little gel is enough to give you the look. So I'm going to be using this rope to tie my hair. So that is the finished look, guys. Very easy and very simple procedure. And don't forget to make your baby hairs. So I'm going to use the gel to make my baby hairs, and that is it. That's all you have to do. So if you have questions regarding this tutorial, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, kindly subscribe to my YouTube now, and don't forget to like and comment as well. And follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram and I'm on Snapchat as well. So make sure you're following me on my social media. And thank you for watching. Have a lovely week. Bye bye. See you in my next video.